Hello everyone, welcome to Clever Cook. Today is a fantastic homemade sausage soup. That's right, sausage soup made with skinny sausage. Now you're probably wondering, is this an idea I took from the Olive Garden? No, I did not. My father had told me he was tired of the chicken soup. He told me, don't buy chicken, buy sausage. I thought he was asking me to make sausage soup, when in reality all he wanted was a sausage. Now, he wants sausage soup. Now, in case you're wondering, what does sausage soup taste like? Well, there are peas, some carrots and potato and sausage. And let's get a little bit of that. And it tastes like celery. It tastes like sausage. Very easy to make. In that big pot, all I added was salt. The first time I made it, I forgot to add anything else. I didn't put no oregano, nothing, just sausage. And I realized if you want it to taste like sausage, all you need is add a little salt to keep it from being bland. You cook your celery first, your carrots, then you put your pre-cooked sausage in. You cook it 5 minutes aside on high. Doesn't matter if it's done, you cut it up and you dump it in. And when the potatoes are done, you turn the heat off and you dump in all your peas just as Mr. Softy arrives. And the peas will absorb the heat and help stop the cooking process. Sausage soup. Delicious. Thanks for watching and subscribe.